Goodbye, Red Dome Robocat.
Very evil Indigo witch.
Stepmom, please. I didn't do anything.
I don't care. You are a very bad stepdaughter. I hate you and your father.
Please, don't hit me.
I don't care. You make me very angry.
Your son hit me, not me.
I don't believe in you. My son is a good boy.
Ha!
Now, take this bear. Ha! Feel that bad stepdaughter like you should be punished like that.
You are very evil stepmom.
How did you get here? Who are you?
I am Super Red Robodome Cat. I am an enforcer of justice for Kitty. I am looking for evil to eliminate. And you are the evil dot I am looking for.
No, you don't eliminate me. Because you don't know who am I. I will show you.
Hey, who are you? You are like the evil prank wizard that I already eliminated.
I am evil Indigo Witch. That prank wizard is my nephew. I will take revenge for her.
Kamine-mine mo di bom bom.
Huh? Can't move.
Ya insong mata haji sa marising.
Huh? My body freeze.
Yeah!
Not so fast, witch. You mess with one of us, you mess with all of us. I'm Chorontron, the guardian of time, and your time has just run out.
A timekeeper made of cameras and clocks. What a joke. You think you can stop me? Let's see how well you hold up against my flames.
Wah! What? I can't move too. I'm burning inside. My body is burning too.
Ha ha ha. Actually, I really want to burn you.
Marangkaran po kapun dan peren sa kamper.
Burn?
Please don't burn me. I lost my power. Please help me.
Robodome Cat, go to hell.
I'm not dead.
Huh? What the?
You still
How
alive?
did you do that? Who are you?
Did I mention I control time? I'm Chorontron, the guardian of time, and your time has just run out.
What? This isn't possible.
Oh, it is. And now it's my turn. Time to eliminate you.
Oh, please don't do this.
Evil witch like you don't deserve to live in this world. Now go to hell. Evil Indigo witch has been now eliminated. Now, it's time to revive you, Kitty. What happened? Thank you, Chorontron. You are my hero.